Hello, this is Adam. Let's take a look at the latest 2022 LG Gram laptop. I am going to mention about 2022 LG Gram 17-inch Intel Evo Core i7. Before I purchased this laptop, I actually searched the laptops among the best battery savers and best performance laptops with my own best budget, so that I came to the conclusion of this laptop. In the contents, in the package, there is upcycled pencil holder calendar. We need to make it. This is a slim, trim, lightweight laptop with a 17-inch monitor. It has the latest graphic chipset, the latest 17-inch i7 12th generation Intel Core processor, plenty of RAM, plenty of storage, and supports Thunderbolt 4. It has the latest Windows 11 operating system. If you are looking for a powerful and lightweight laptop, this is the one you should get it. It has also different colors, including white and gray. I chose the black one. It has got an HDMI output, which is here. Sorry, yeah. It has HDMI output here. There are two USB 3.0 ports as well as headphone jack. It has nice large ventilator at the back of the laptop, which is here at the back of the laptop to help to keep it cool. The mousepad is actually very large, as you see, and supports all the latest touching features. The keyboard, it feels pretty nice. At the top here, basically at the top you have all your sensors, including the camera. The power adapter, let's see what we got here. The power adapter plugs into one of the Thunderbolt ports. Let's do this one. This goes all the way to either of them, and a single of the click power will turn it on, which is through here. The first time when you turn it on, you'll go through the steps of new Windows 11 setup process, which is pretty easy. In a couple of minutes, you are ready to use your laptop. There is a Phase login, which is supported with a built-in Full HD webcam. It is also made of anti-glare panel IPS display, which is really worth it. Lastly, the maximum memory supported, which is RAM, is 32 GB. I believe the LG Gram 17-inch Intel Evo Core i7 is a reliable laptop. It has got the fast and powerful performance. The battery life is also nice. Overall, I will definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.